Pro Max, 512 gig Pacific Blue. I'm excited for this. Just to let you know, I'm actually recording this today on the new DJI Pocket 2 with the wireless mic attachment. So hopefully this goes well. So let's get into this unboxing. Well, this is definitely in here secure. Now look at how thin that box is. Of course, as I'm sure you know by now, there's no headphones and there's also no power brick in this. So Apple was able to reduce the size of the packages. Oof. Wow, this is definitely easy to open. I do like the picture of the logo that they're running with this year. And there it is. Look at the size of those cameras. So there's not a whole lot of packaging this year to undo. Oh, that is literally it for the phone. There she is. So inside, you're just going to get your power cord, your lightning cable, and then I think it's just a sticker now at this point. So let's power this up. So while this is booting up, let's look at the size. So this is a iPhone XS or XS Max. So fairly big phone. I do have a case on it, but they're very similar in size. I think because of the rounded edges, I think this feels a little bit bigger, the 10. I just love the design of this. The chrome on the sides. You know, we're in the States, so we've got the 5G millimeter wave antenna right behind that little spot there. It definitely is going to pick up fingerprints. Wow. All right. So let's see. Oh, already asked me to set up my new phone. So I'm just going to hit continue. And you scan the, I don't know if you can see that, but the little blue stuff on there. I'm going to put in my passcode. And so it's telling me to finish on my new phone. So not a whole lot to unbox on iPhones these days. It's already asking me to set up my Wi-Fi. Right, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So I love the screen. Comparing the two. So it's asking me to confirm my phone number. And then I got to put in some account info. I do like the feel of this. I know I'm going to need to get a case for this, but man, it's just so smooth. Even the bands around the sides just feel kind of glossy, but not like you're going to drop it. I feel like I can hold this pretty well. I've seen a few complaints from people saying that they think it's too big, but unfortunately, as I get closer to 50, it's kind of harder to see things on small screens. So bigger the screen, the better it is for me. Let's let that continue. Oh, now it wants to set up Face ID already. This feels strange to even be recording this, setting up Face ID. All right, 2 scans and Face ID. All right, so now I have the option to transfer my data. So I can either transfer it directly from my iPhone. It said it'd take about an hour and 30 minutes to set up, or I can download from iCloud and you can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes. So I'm going to choose to download from iCloud. I did back everything up to iCloud earlier. Now I just got the standard terms and conditions. It's setting up my Apple ID. Wow, I can't wait to get to using this. Might get to go to Disney this weekend, so hopefully I'll get to shoot some pictures and video with it. All right, so I feel like this is going to take a bit, so I'll go ahead and wrap things up here, but it's a super quick unboxing. There's not much to iPhones anymore. Hopefully I'll be able to get some new videos posted in the next couple weeks of actually using the phone and let you guys know what I think. So if you enjoyed watching this unboxing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out some more of my videos. Thanks guys, have a great day.